Okay, I just wanted to show you how I installed these 10.1-inch Chinese radios, because the screen is a lot bigger than the size of the enclosure that you had to put your stereo in. And excuse me, these are the brackets. What I did was I cut them, kind of see what the length is. And I'm actually going to take this one out, so I'll show you exactly what the brackets are like. And I also cut, I don't know if it was this side or this side. Yeah, it was this side. This side I cut. And on the flip side, it's beautiful. I'll show you this. It's really nice. Came out really good. And it's really in there very well. Anyway, let me pause this and I'll get back to you. Okay, I just wanted to show you, see these tabs right here that I bent over? Like that. So what I'm going to do is just basically have to, this is just reverse, see? That's it. Let me just pause this again. Okay, this is what the bezel looks like. That's where the cut was. And remember, it's reversed. So it's going to go, give me 1 second here. It's going to go like that. Slide it in there. And the reason why I'm taking this out is because this radio, I'm having an issue with the Wi-Fi. It will not connect to my phone. And I'm going to make another video on how to bench test this. And that's about it on this installation. I think you're going to get the idea. You just take the tabs and you bend them over, and it should grab the bezel, and you should really have no issues installing it. Sorry for the choppy video, but it's how it goes when you use one hand. Anyway, I hope this helps you. Take care. Bye.